that's the first octave of a C major scale, but we can actually add another octave on top of that, starting on D natural, or open D. Make sure when you play the second octave, there's a half step between E and F natural, or between first and second finger on the D string. They're touching. Again, watch carefully when I play the second octave of the C major scale. Excellent. Now let's play the 2-octave C major scale, ascending and descending. Remember, use open G as your ascending, and use fourth fingers for A and D and G as your descending. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we try that again? Just a little bit slower this time? Remember, again, between first and second finger on the D string, it's a half step. So first and second finger are touching. 1, 2, ready, go. Great job. Now let's play a 2-octave C major arpeggio, starting on open C. 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. Now you're using the very low part of the viola and the very high part of the viola, playing 2-octave C major scale.